Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you from where we can get alpha and beta apps for Android smartphones. As we know that the alpha and beta apps are mainly early stage of stable version apps, so there may be some bugs, but there are many people out there who want to try the latest features which are released early on such alpha and beta applications for the respective applications. So without any further more delay, let's proceed. First, you need to go or open any web browser. Once you go to the or open the web browser, go to this website APK Mirror. As you can see, go to this website and just proceed to this website. As you can see, the web page user interface, you can see every day new apps that have been launched or have not been launched yet in your Google Play Store. Don't worry, this website is trusty website, so don't be scared that you will get some viruses if you download applications from this website. It is legal website. Even the popular XDA developers, they too recommended this websites to download the alpha and beta applications for respective applications. So in my point of view, if you're very crazy to try the early stage of respective applications, you can log into this website www.apkmirror.com and you can search for your respective applications and you can download from here and install on your Android smartphones. But before concluding my video, let me tell you one more thing, that alpha and beta applications contains a lot of bugs which need to be fixed by the application developers. So you will find some bugs. So in my opinion, if you're not a very techy persons or who are very crazy to try softwares, then such alpha and beta applications are meant for those people who are really wanting such application to try out. So if you're not one of them, so I'll suggest you that please don't install this alpha and beta applications if you're not aware of such bugs. But still, if you want to try, then you can check out and try those early stage of applications. I hope you find this information useful, and please click on the thumbs like button if you like our video, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.